Hello guys and welcome back. So for today we are going to install a tap onto this jacuzzi here. So before I'm going to start, I'm going to put some gloves on because I don't want to mess up the tap. If you are just going to work with your hands, the grease from your hands are going to stain the tap. So first thing, I'm just going to take these washers out and nuts. Those are going to go underneath the bathtub, jacuzzi in this case. And these are just going to go on top of the bathtub. And now we just have to close it in. So we have a rubber washer and a nut. Rubber washer and the nut. And now I'm just going to tighten them up a little bit, not too much, because we don't want to crack anything. And that should be steady enough. And then we have the cold water here, and this is flexible 15 to 22 and has a rubber washer inside. Now I'm not going to go crazy on tightening them up because we don't want to cut the rubber washer that we have inside. So I'm just going to do it with my hands. I can put a lot of strength on it. And that should be it. As simple as that. Right now I'm just going to open my shut out valves, the ball fixes. Now we have the hot here. So let's open even the cold. And it's already on. Now I will just check for leaks. Now everything is in pressure and it should start to leak if there is any problem, but it shouldn't be. Hot, cold, everything is working fine. So I believe that's it for our very short video. Yeah, not that difficult to change a mixer tap for the bathtub. More or less all of them are going to be the same. Doesn't matter if it's going to be a jacuzzi or a bathtub, a standard bathtub. And of course, at this point, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.